Hello friends, in this video we are going to tell you full form of 3-letter words in computer categories, which is very important. CAD full form is computer aided design. CAE full form is computer aided engineering. CAI full form is computer aided instruction. CAL full form computer assisted learning. CAM full form is computer aided manufacturing. CAN full form is campus area network. CAQAE full form is computer aided quality assurance. CASE computer aided software engineering. CBEMA computer business equipment manufacturers association. CCD full form is charge coupled device. CCS full form is common command set. CD full form is compact disc. C-DAC Center for Development of Advanced Computing. This is a course name. CDMA Code Division Multiple Access. CDN Content Delivery Network. These important full form I have told in this video. I hope you will like, share and subscribe. Thank you.